What would you do with a free 7.3?
Drive it another million miles.
Have your story. What if we made it brand new?
Almost a negative.
The Icebreaker All-Attack is powered by 6 diesel engines. Sometimes, however, it needs a 7th diesel. The Ford Super Duty Powerstroke. Its legendary pulling power is known the world over. Ford F-Series, the world's best-selling truck 25 years running, is built Ford tough.
Wasn't that an epic commercial from back when these trucks were brand new?
Yeah, there's a reason these old 7.3s have earned a legendary status in our history books.
That's why KC Turbos has continued to bring you innovative new products like our Gen 3 KC300X that we've announced in other videos.
Yeah, since we're always trying to do revolutionary things on the turbo side, we figured might as well try something new on this side as well. Walk with me. You guys have seen that 7.3 over there, and it is by far the most reliable truck that we own. Now, probably the reason that is we bought it from the original owner, got it off the lot in 2001. So something can be said for one owner trucks, nice and clean. The reason we bought it was for emissions testing. So sent the truck out, had our products tested, and then our favorite 3-letter agency came back and told us those tests didn't count after we paid for them.
Not a California 7.3, so it's no good?
This truck's kind of just sat here over the last year, ever since we got it back. But Charlie's very generous. He lets us borrow it whenever we need it. Or when you work at a turbo shop and you turn up your truck too much and blow it up, 7.3 is always there to tow us home. So it was reliable 20 years ago. That 7.3 is still reliable today. You know, it's a little rough around the edges, but we know that truck has the soul of a warrior. But Jason, what are we gonna do with this thing?
Well, I'm glad you asked. I see a lot of big gaudy trucks out there that are being given away.
You okay over there?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Anyway, there's a lot of great reasons why
Wait.
this truck.
I can do it. I have no interest in trying to win those trucks for a variety of reasons. Insurance, registration, EGR, DPF, it's not my style, DEF, more things to break, the list goes on and on. But if there was a certain legend up for grabs, I may be interested.
So let's take this bad boy to the car wash.
Better idea. Instead of doing that, what if we pay to have it detailed?
Yeah, it's too hot out, I'll be honest.
And we can do it on company dime.
Company card.
You did make sure it was cool with Charlie if we give it away?
Yeah, I sent you that email.
That email you sent like 3 weeks ago?
Oh?
Yeah. I didn't do that.
Oh. Well, guess we better ask Charlie. Hey, Bob.
What's up, guys?
So, Jason and I...
Jason forgot to ask if it's cool if we give your 7.3 away.
The 7.3, the one that everybody drives, that everybody uses when their car's broken down, that 7.3?
But we'll detail it, for sure.
With just a detail? Or do you want to maybe we should go look at the truck first before you guys just start giving away something. Here she is, the old faithful 7.3. Legend, wait for it, Dairy. We bought this truck originally to do emissions testing, and then it's kind of just been hanging out since then, to be honest. It's kind of like the community bicycle everybody gets to ride.
Yeah.
Because it's just always here. When your car breaks down, 7.3 is here. I mean, it's been a great truck for us, but it does have a few cosmetic mods, things that needs to be fixed, like the grill, the mirrors. It looks like one side's 6.0 and the other side maybe a 7.3 mirror. I mean, it looks pretty good overall, honestly.
Iconic 7.3 bumper, grill, and then these multi-piece headlights. Everyone hates on them. I got a 6.0 swap the front end. It's like, it's kind of charm. But yeah, we got some, 2002 Boomer spec wheels. Damn cheese, don't worry. And it's great. It sounds like a stock truck. Whoa, easy there. Yeah, I mean, the truck's in great shape. It's not all rusted out because we live in Arizona, so there's no salt or snow or any weather other than the sun. So the interior on this thing is surprisingly clean for however many years old this thing is. Everything's there. It's all complete.
Should we see what the power's like in a stock 7.3? Okay, pretty.
It shifts good. I'm pretty sure the training's in decent shape. Please shift. Oh, God.
Oh, there it is.
I think one of the things you can do is do one of our power packages.
Yeah. The first step is, the first step with the 7.3, our power packs make for a great guideline of this is what I'm doing, this is how much horsepower I want. Here's a guideline of how to do it. But if you have no idea and you got a couple $100 to burn, just go buy a hydrant. These things are great. Even stock truck, stock turbo, they have a stock everything. I mean, they have that 140 horse too, right? I don't know if you'll see an extra 140 in stock everything, but it'll certainly be a lot heavier.
It sure as hell feels like 140. When you put a Hydra on a good tune, just the ones that come from Power 100 Performance,
they have great.
It is night and day. I think a lot of you guys have probably never driven a stock 7, a stock.
Yeah.
Because they usually have at least a Hydra on it. So if your 7.3 doesn't have a Hydra, that is 100% our recommended. Just do that and start there.
The second thing is replace your up pipes because they're probably cracked.
Yep.
If they're original, I can almost guarantee you they'd be cracking them. Which means you have a loose leak, which means your low horsepower truck is even worse.
Which means you have an exhaust leak,
Yeah.
which can lead to higher HTs. It can lead to loss of power, excess smoke. I mean, there's so many problems that people think they have with their truck that it can be fixed with a very simple fixing the exhaust leak and boost leaks. They kind of overlap on what.
Do an exhaust leak test.
Luckily with this truck, it is a one owner, and we purchased it from an old man who took care of it.
I think. Bought it off the showroom floor, drove it for 200,000 miles, loved it for over 20 years.
If we're going to do a giveaway, I say we do it right. And I'd love to showcase our new KC300X Gen 3, giving away a truck, giving away a 7.3 to celebrate the new turbo. Yeah. We'll do a little build on it.
Yeah,
maybe turbo injectors, maybe fix it up a little bit, 500 horsepower, I don't know.
Mild, something fun, yeah.
I mean, you guys could get together and kind of pitch a few ideas.
Yeah.
Or what do you think about you guys pitching your ideas on what you'd like to see on the build? You want to see a broed out on 14 wides, lowered, or maybe more of a resto mod, kind of keep the tradition of the 7.3, maybe new 7.3 headlights. I don't know. What do you guys want to see, and what would you like to see done to this truck? Because we're going to do it, we're going to build it, and we're going to give it away.
Yeah, it's a great idea. Let's do it right.
One of you guys are going to win it.